What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about a trade we took this morning in the AM session. Was a market maker buy model. So if we look here on NQ, we had SMT on the hourly with ES, where ES took Wednesday's low, but NQ this morning failed to take this low during the just before the news. Okay, so we had left this huge 15-minute bullish fair value gap, right? This BISI. So when we started to trade back into it here at around 10:15, we left this bearish fair value gap. So order flow was still bearish coming into the morning session here, as we were dropping lower. So bearish PD raise and structure were being respected here. Even in here at 10:18, we're still respecting this bearish fair value gap. So we had the 9:30 opening price right over here at this candle. Right, so we had 9:30 equities open, the CME open, using it as resistance here, creating some equal highs. We traded lower, right? This is the classic ICT Judas swing, right? So this whole move down is to entice everyone at the open, selling, chasing price lower, and then it rips it higher. And we all, if you look at price today, we just continue to rip higher and higher and higher, right? So I was anticipating us dropping into this 15-minute gap and was just waiting for the change in the state of delivery, right? So if you go back and watch one of my other videos I recently posted, was change in the state of delivery. So once we started to disrespect this bearish gap here and close with the candle body above, right here at this candle at 1024, candle body closes. In the process of it closing above this bearish gap, right, which we can fine tune a little bit, right? We left this 1 minute gap in here, right? 1 minute bullish fair value gap. And this down close candle, see this wick, how it overlaps this gap. So this is your high probability order block. It's this whole candle, right? So price could have traded all the way into this bearish candle here. All throughout this area, okay? Price could have traded into. But we wanted to see, right, 50% of it respected here, which is why I have this blue line here, right? So this is where we took our entry here off of this order block this morning live with the Discord. Oh, let me hit this right here. Long stops were originally this low here, and then targeting the equal highs we left in here at the 9:30 open. See all these equal highs up here? This was our buy side liquidity, right? If you want to catch trades like this, we trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, so 3 times a week, sometimes more, 3 to 4 times a week. If you want to catch these with us live, click the link below. You could try it out for just $10 for the week. Cancel it if you don't find any value in there. It's currently very, very cheap to get in, $10 a week, or you can do $30 a month, or there's some other options in there. But if we go in here, you can see I was asking who caught the buys with us this morning, and we had tons of people on with the live this morning. Leslie caught it, Trader Lou caught it, right? And I believe Leslie just passed. So shout out to Leslie. What she said, she just passed my funded futures account. So right here, she's up over 2,000 on her second day. So kudos to her. Let's see if we can find her certificate here. Boom, passed there. And many more traders getting funded in here. So come in. We have there's tons of knowledge in there. So click the link below, and we'll get back in the rest of this trade breakdown. So now we also have, if we look here, we have this breaker. So we have this swing low, high, lower low. So if you weren't as confident getting in here, we could have waited for a closure above these two up close candles, right? Because this is your breaker, bullish breaker in here, right? And look at price. 50% of this breaker, you could have entered along in here. Stops there, and then targeting buy side. 1 to 5. This one was a 1 to 4. So 2 entries there. So I believe we entered twice on this as well. So 2 entries. I think I have it posted somewhere. I have a screenshot of it, but entered twice off of here. Let me post it real quick. Send it to myself. Save and downloads. So you can see here we entered twice, once off the order block and then again inside of that breaker there, which is these 2 up close candles, and we were using this bearish fair value gap as an inverse here. You could have entered again, right? Inside of here, small gap, imbalance, boom. Now, why this buy side, right? Well, there was a larger buy side 1 hour gap, but if you're just going for a low hanging fruit, right? Like this was a $1,400 trade, depending on, I mean, even just off of one contract here is 1,100, 1,400, right? So why was this a buy model? Well, if we look here, we had consolidation all throughout here, right? See the back and forth in here. You can kind of fine tune this a little bit in here. The candle bodies, right? And the wicks. So lots of back and forth in here from 935, right? So we move away and then we come back and attack above the original consolidation as buy side liquidity. So this is the sell side of the curve, and then we have the buy side of the curve, right? So everything on the left side of the curve should be broken and used as support, right? And as you can see, even these small gaps over here get worked in. So you have these small imbalances, right? In here, work in here. Now the wicks will do the damage, but the bodies tell the story, right? Immediate rebalance in here, right there on the sell side of the curve, gets used as support there, right? So if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to come join with us, learn in-depth ICT concepts, cut through all the hours of videos, and let me show you exactly what you need to find success in your trading and level up your trading skills and strategy, from models to concepts to risk management, your psychology, and join an awesome community that we have in there of traders that are all like-minded. Come join us. $10 to get started, or you can do $30 a month. Very, very cheap. And I will catch you guys later. Until next time, trade safe.